Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing video. Before you guys roast me in the comments, just watch the whole video. You'll see what happens, why you should not be roasting me right now. Trust me, I'm roasting myself. Anyway, I digress. The unit that we are reviewing today is from Sensationnel. This is their head turner unit in the style LS 3009. This is a textured lace unit and it comes from their Curls Kinks & Co line. As always, I got this in a jet black one. That is my color preference. For those of you guys who don't know, units from their Curls Kinks & Co line are designed for girls who have hair ranging from 3B to 4C. This unit is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees. It can be styled as an updo. It has ear to ear soft lace and it has a natural feel and look. So something I've said in other Sensationnel Curls Kinks & Co.'s videos, definitely these units are always so soft and definitely emulate how soft natural hair is, especially when it's blown out. So this is actually annoying me a little bit because I'm looking at the inside of the information card and you guys can see this is what her hair looks like. That is not what this looks like on me. It is coming past her collarbones, past her back. This is definitely a long unit. However, on me, it is, my collarbones are right here. This is not the same unit at all. Like, clearly there's a difference. Something's not adding up. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are two combs immediately surrounding the parting space, and it appears that the parting space has a little bit of a curve to it. Then down here at the bottom, there's an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. I feel like I got the wrong wig because this is what the unit looks like on the information card. So you can see that this is hitting her like, you know, mid back, mid bust, and this is stopping right here on my collarbones. But anyway, getting into the unboxing of whatever unit this is, it comes with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units come with. Has a lot of curls that look like they are just fresh, crunchy wand curls that need to be separated out. So I'm gonna go in, style this to my satisfaction, and then I'll come back to you guys at the very end with all my questions, comments, thoughts, and concerns. All right, so we're back. I don't know what to say about this unit. I feel like this is a fail within itself. In terms of styling, I tried to go through and finger detangle and, you know, fluff out the curls with my hands. That wasn't really doing much, so I just used the Cantu styling brush to brush it out. As you guys can see, I have more than enough shedding in this brush, so it does shed quite a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys I don't like this unit. I'm getting 80s prom night vibes. The definition just completely goes away when you try to manipulate it. It still has the kinky texture, but it just looks a hot mess. It looks all over the place. The parting is in so many different directions. And then you get down here to the bottom and then you have these completely straight pieces. So you had nice juicy curls at one point, now it's just frizz, and then you have these bone straight pieces down here at the bottom. You guys can see my wig cap, I don't care. And just to show you that piece of shedding, that whole thing together looks like one single lock of hair. I'm definitely getting Farrah Fawcett 80s prom night vibes from this unit. To the parting space, I added my Ulta Contour Kit Bombshell Bronzer. I think the issue that one of the issues that I have with this is that this does not look anything like what the information card shows. The information card is a lot longer, the curls are more uniform, and they're bigger curls. Those were ringlets done with a curling wand, not big, voluminous, sexy curls. So I feel like this just missed the mark completely. And that's why it's bothering me, because I'm like, these are not the same unit at all. Like, not even close. The parting of the curls goes in so many different directions, so you guys can see, like, it's just kind of a cowlick situation going up there at the crown of my head. And I know before somebody says that you can go in with a hot comb or a flat iron and smooth it out and at least still get somewhat of a cute unit. I know that I can do that, but this is kinky straight textured hair. With that being said, it's going to ruin the texture. Anytime I apply heat to these units, it gets pretty bone straight, so it's going to be a very clear gradient of really super straight hair and then kinky texture, and it's gonna bother me, to be completely honest. I did say that I was going to order one of those hot combs. I have the one that comes with a little oven that I used to use when I first went natural in like 10th or 11th grade, but I was going to order one of the electric ones because I feel like I would have a little more control than with the one that goes in the oven. The one in the oven, I fried off my edges and different strands of hair so many times, like hair turned white and just fell off, burnt to a crisp. So I would rather get the electric one, see what that's about, and then touch up these roots and, you know, use that on other synthetic or human hair units that I review in the future. Honestly, I'm really not a fan. Just to get closer and show you guys, this is what the texture and the luster of the hair looks like. It's pretty shiny, honestly, so definitely get some dry shampoo, cornstarch, baby powder, whatever you need to tone down the shine on the unit. I honestly don't see myself wearing this after today, so I'm gonna finish the review. That is all that I have for you guys today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. This is another fail. I feel like I try and vet the units before I review them, so that's probably why I rarely, if ever, have a unit that just looks so horrendous on this channel, because I really try to make sure that I only get like top-notch units. I don't just go blindly buying units. I look them up, I see how they look on the model, do a little bit of investigating. So this one definitely threw me a curveball. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.